Regeneration is the power of God that change your nature, that impart the nature of God into you. Now, many of you still come late to meeting. You still do what you like. You can still talk anyhow. The easiest sanctification that many of you have achieved, which is very easy, is to imitate. In a church, they say in this church, men must not pierce their hair. They must not plait your hair. And women, their skirt must be zombie type. Their blouse must not expose their cleavage. All of those rules. And when you do it, they say, bravo, now you are a changed person. Nothing changed about you. If you are sanctified, it affects every of your personality. When they say meeting is 5, you'll be there before 5. When you give somebody an appointment, you will not miss it. When you say you are going somewhere, your yes will be yes, your no will be no. And it is not you doing it. It is the power of God.